Hey, hey, Windows Recall is a new tool built into Windows 11 Copilot Plus PCs that basically keeps track of everything that you do on your computer. This feature only works by taking snapshots on your screen every few seconds and saving them to your hard drive. Now Microsoft has made sure that the tool is secure and safe to use, but what does that even mean? I mean, there was a huge scandal several months ago for the Windows Recall feature of the tool actually taking screenshots of credit cards and social security numbers, and it's basically like a Big Brother but in massive proportions. Now, I'm not expert, but it sounds like a massive privacy concern, and if this sounds like that to you too, then you should disable it right away. Anyway, here is how you can disable Windows Recall.
Alright, currently when you're facing the desktop, you need to open a terminal, and the easiest way is to click on the start menu and open a terminal as admin. Otherwise, things will not work. You need elevated permissions. And now we need to check if the Windows Recall feature is installed and enabled. And to do this, type dism/online/get feature info/feature name recall. And when you enter it, the command prompt will basically tell you if you have Windows Recall feature enabled. And as you can see, currently on my PC, it is enabled. Luckily, this is a virtual machine. And to disable it, you can go through the terminal again, type in dism online disable feature name recall, and once you enter it, it will basically go ahead and disable this horrible feature which invades your privacy. And currently it should be disabled, but to check it, run the first command again. And currently the state is disabled, which means that the Windows Recall feature is supposedly turned off. However, I don't really believe that, so this is where the second method, and preferably you should do it too, comes into hand. Alright, now we have completed the terminal part, and let's go ahead and minimize this. Now, the next step is to make some group policy edits. To do this, go to your Windows search and type it gp edit to open the group policy editor. From here, let's just expand this so you can see better. From here on now, I'll go to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and search for Windows Copilot. Double click on it, and you need to turn off Windows Copilot. Currently, it is not configured, and if we double click on it, it will say like this. It will stay like this. However, if we enable turn off Windows Copilot, it will actually stop it from functioning. Click on Apply, OK, and you can close again this group policy editor.
Alright, these were two of the methods that I know of stopping Microsoft Copilot from functioning, and I really hope that it stays that way. However, you do know Microsoft and how after every update, I'm sure that they will try to enforce this privacy and security feature again. And I'm pretty sure that they will try to re-enable it in some other way. Well, until then, let's hope that they don't. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.